Trying out some dinnerly. That's one heck of a box you guys got there. So today we're trying dinnerly. They don't actually come with recipe cards, but you print them out online. They look something like this. So these are the ingredients. This is the stuff that they send, and this is the stuff you need to have. So you need to have olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and kosher salt and pepper. So we need to pull apart this pork. Perfect. Now we need to core and dice this tomato. So now we need to mince about 1 clove of garlic. And we add about half of a teaspoon's worth to a bowl. Set the rest aside. I have about 1 tablespoon of water in the bowl. This is going to make our sauce. I'm adding now the sour cream. Of course, we're going to give it a stir. A little salt and pepper. It's supposed to be kosher salt. So now we add in our garlic, the remaining garlic, for our marinade for our diced tomatoes. About a tablespoon of olive oil. About a teaspoon of vinegar. Dash of salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. So now we can preheat our broiler and raise the rack to the top position. And we're going to add some oil for our pulled pork. And about 1 tablespoon of our seasoning. You will recognize this delicious smell. Let that cook for about 30 seconds. You gotta use a pan that can go in the oven. This is the only one I had, but you preferably want one that's flat. You can add 1/3 cup of water. You bring this to a boil. So we're boiling like crazy over here. We go ahead and add our pulled pork after we turn off the heat. Give that a good mix. Now a little drizzle of olive oil. And we can place this in our preheated broiler for about 6 minutes. Now we're going to slice up our romaine. Now we're going to add the romaine to our marinated tomato bowl. And a little more salt and pepper. Very nice. We have a little bit of the seasoning left over for another dish, for another time. Now we can remove our pulled pork from the oven. Brush these peas with some oil. We're going to stick these on the top of the broiler for about 2 minutes. And now we can go ahead and get plating. Plenty of pork for these. Wow. I don't know how I'm going to fill all these. Look at that. Gorgeous. So those are pretty good. There's a little bit left over. And the sauce. Wow. Phenomenal. So I tried some of the pulled pork on the side. Oh man, is it juicy. The shell kind of smells like a chalupa shell when you cook it like that. It's very interesting. So you can tell just by looking at it, these are going to be incredible. And they smell incredible. And I thought of a hack for these too. You can use the same style pita with just regular hamburger meat, sour cream, maybe a little garlic as well. And you have something that would taste very much like a chalupa, because that's kind of what this reminded me of, but it also tasted Greek as well. But full of flavor, absolutely.